Hi there, students. Edacious. Edacious. Okay, this means voracious. It's an adjective. It says that you consume huge amounts of something, normally food. Okay, so teenagers are edacious. They eat and eat and eat, but that's because they're growing. As one gets older, one becomes less edacious, unless you're me. You could define me as a pretty edacious person, but that's because I like my food. Food is a real pleasure. So, edacious, devoted to eating, voracious, greedy, eating lots and lots of, consuming, devouring. So, normally it's food, but it doesn't have to be food. So you can have an edacious appetite, but you could have edacious reading habits where you read a book every day, or an edacious desire to improve your English. So you edaciously watched 10 of my videos every day for a year, and you still got lots left. Okay, so edacious, well, you probably get about halfway. Okay, so edacious, voracious, consuming lots of. As a species at the moment, we seem to have an edacious appetite for energy. The more energy we use, the more energy we want to use. Or a fire might be described by the fireman as an edacious fire. The edacious fire destroyed all of the buildings around the initial building to catch fire. The media are always edaciously looking for more and more scandals to print about people. So there you are. There's a good selection of words or phrases using edacious but not linked to food. So edacious, devouring. Edacious vultures, wolfish, ravenous, esurient, rapacious, piggish, gluttonous, ravenous. But remember, it doesn't have to be for food. So an insatiable appetite for an activity, for a pursuit. So his edacious desire to improve himself, his edacious desire to learn more and more things about the world around him. I think if you are edacious when it comes to learning, it's a good thing. I think if you're edacious when it comes to food, it's not such a good thing. So it depends, but somebody who's edacious has a voracious, all-consuming appetite for something, particularly food. Now notice this word is not particularly common. It's a very formal word. So only those of you who are edacious for more and more vocabulary will really enjoy this word. It's perhaps a fairly rare word as well. So edacious, voracious, all-consuming, wanting more and more and more, greedy, hungry, gluttonous. So formality, 7.5 in formality. Use in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. Maybe you could use it in something spoken, less formal, if you were using it as a joke. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from edax, gluttonous or greedy, from edo, to eat. So having an insatiable appetite, piggish, ravenous, voracious, consuming as much as you possibly can. Okay, so edacious. After this video, you're going to audaciously watch 6 or 7 more videos. Well, I hope. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Edacious.